Etude in E minor number 8. This is a very exciting piece and very restless, and it's called actually agitato, and agitato in Italian means agitated or restless. So it's not a calm piece of music, but rather a very exciting one. And actually this type of technique that is being featured here is one of my favorite ones. Maybe because you have just one hand that plays at a time, because you have play always like left, right, and that's actually pretty easy, and your hands make same movement actually, but just one hand at a time. And in order to play that, and in order to master this piece faster, and in order to feel ourselves comfortable here, we have to lean toward the first note, going deeper with the hand on the first note and going up on the second note. So basically that's the same motion as here. Same here. And the right hand makes the same movement. And we are using rotation in order to proceed to the second note. So you don't have to work with fingers so much, but rather rotating your hand. So that's the principle of this motion. And then, of course, it's a good idea to start from a moderate tempo in order to reach maximum smoothness and efficiency between hands. So. And you might help yourself with elbows as well. Just not exaggerating these movements, of course, but just trying to feel some freedom in the hand. So it's a little bit like swimming, actually.